Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Easy Speak.
This is the channel where you can practice easy English listening and speaking.
My name is Henry.
And my name is Sophia.
We are very happy that you are here learning English with us today.
On this channel, we have simple conversations to help you improve your English step by step.
Today, we are going to talk about the seasons and the weather.
Yes, we will talk about spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
We will also describe different kinds of weather like sunny, rainy, windy, and snowy.
And we will share our favorite seasons and fun activities we like to do.
While you listen, try to repeat the sentences after us.
This will help you improve your listening, speaking, and pronunciation.
And stay with us until the end of the video.
Because we have a short speaking challenge for you.
You can answer the question in the comments and practice your English with us.
And we want to know,
What is your favorite season and why?
write your answer in the comments below.
Are you ready?
Let's begin.
There are 4 seasons in a year.
Yes, the 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Each season has different weather.
And people enjoy different activities in each season.
Let's start with spring.
Spring usually begins in March in many countries.
Spring is the season when flowers bloom.
Trees grow new green leaves.
The weather becomes warmer and brighter
Many people feel happy in spring.
because winter is finally over,
Birds start singing again.
and the days slowly become longer.
Many people like to walk outside in spring.
Parks and gardens become very beautiful.
Spring is also a good time for planting flowers and trees.
Some people start gardening in spring.
Yes, they plant vegetables and flowers.
Spring rain helps plants grow.
That is why people sometimes say, spring brings new life.
After spring comes summer.
Summer is usually hot and sunny.
The days are longer in summer.
Sometimes the sun sets very late in the evening.
Many people enjoy outdoor activities in summer.
People often go to the beach.
They enjoy swimming and traveling.
Children usually have school holidays in summer.
Families often take vacations together.
Some people like to go camping.
Others enjoy picnics in the park.
Summer nights can be warm and pleasant.
People sometimes sit outside and talk with friends.
Ice cream is very popular in summer.
Yes, many people like cold drinks when it is hot.
Summer is full of fun activities and sunshine.
Spring and summer are both very happy seasons.
Yes, each season has its own special beauty.
After summer comes autumn.
Autumn is also called fall.
In autumn, the leaves change color.
Yes, they turn red, orange, and yellow.
The weather becomes cooler.
It is not too hot and not too cold.
Many people enjoy walking in parks during autumn.
The colorful leaves look very beautiful.
Some people say autumn is the most beautiful season.
Do you like autumn, Speaker One?
Yes, I like autumn because the weather is cool but comfortable.
I also like autumn because I can drink warm tea and enjoy the nice colors outside.
Autumn is a good season for walking, running, and exercising outside.
Many people also like to take photos of autumn leaves.
Yes, the trees and parks look very colorful.
Autumn is also the harvest season.
Farmers collect fruits and vegetables.
Apples, pumpkins, and grapes are common autumn foods.
People also use pumpkins for decoration.
In some countries, there are autumn festivals to celebrate the harvest.
Some people like to go hiking during autumn.
Yes, the cool weather and beautiful leaves make it perfect.
Autumn days are shorter than summer.
But the evenings can be very peaceful.
People often drink hot drinks in the evening.
Yes, like hot chocolate, coffee, or tea.
Autumn is a great time to relax and enjoy nature.
It is also a good time to read books indoors.
Many people say autumn is quiet and beautiful.
I agree. Every autumn day is special.
Finally, we have winter.
Winter is the coldest season of the year.
In some countries, it snows in winter.
Snow makes everything white and beautiful.
But winter can also be very cold and dark.
The days are shorter in winter.
Many people wear warm clothes.
For example, coats, gloves, scarves,
Some people love winter sports.
like skiing and snowboarding.
People also like ice skating.
Yes, and some people like sledding with friends or family.
In winter, many families stay inside to stay warm.
They drink hot chocolate or tea.
Some people like to read books or watch movies in winter.
Winter is also a season of holidays in many countries.
Yes, people celebrate Christmas, New Year, and other festivals.
Many cities have lights and decorations during winter.
The nights can be long but cozy.
And sometimes you can see snow falling at night.
Winter is cold, but it can be fun and beautiful.
Yes, every season is special in its own way.
We have now talked about all 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Each season has its own weather and activities.
Sophia, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer
Why do you like summer?
because I love sunshine and long days.
That sounds nice.
I also like going to the beach.
Do you like swimming in summer?
Yes, swimming in the sea is fun and refreshing.
What about summer food or drinks?
I like ice cream and cold drinks.
Yes, ice cream is perfect on a hot day.
And I enjoy picnics in the park during summer.
Sounds like summer is full of fun activities.
Yes, I really enjoy traveling and spending time outside.
My favorite season is spring
Why spring?
because I love seeing flowers and green trees.
Yes, spring feels fresh and full of life.
The weather is pleasant, not too hot or cold.
People can enjoy walking in parks during spring.
Yes, and birds start singing again.
Spring is also a good time for gardening.
I like planting flowers and vegetables in spring.
Yes, spring rain helps plants grow.
It is wonderful to see nature wake up after winter.
Yes, every morning feels bright and happy in spring.
Do you like spring activities?
Yes, I like walking, running, and cycling.
I also enjoy visiting parks and gardens.
Sometimes I take photos of flowers and trees.
Spring is perfect for spending time outside.
Yes, and the weather is not too hot or too cold.
Summer and spring are both great seasons.
Yes, each season has its special beauty and activities.
Now, listeners, it's your turn. Try to say, my favorite season is blank because blank.
Pause the video and practice speaking out loud. You can also write your answer in the comments.
This is a good way to practice English every day.
Yes, the more you speak, the better your English becomes.
Remember, summer and spring are full of fun and happiness.
Enjoy the seasons and practice your English while learning.
Seasons are different around the world.
Yes, some countries have very cold winters.
And in those countries, snow covers the ground.
But other countries have warm weather all year.
For example, some tropical countries have only rainy and dry seasons.
That means the weather does not change much.
Yes, it can be hot and humid for many months.
But in many countries, people enjoy 4 different seasons.
Spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Each season brings different weather and activities.
For example, in spring, flowers bloom and the weather is warm.
In summer, it is hot and sunny, and people enjoy the beach and swimming.
In autumn, the leaves change color and fall from the trees.
And in winter, it can be very cold, and sometimes it snows.
In tropical countries, instead of winter and autumn, they have rainy and dry seasons.
Yes, during the rainy season, it rains a lot every day.
And in the dry season, it is hot and sunny most of the time.
People in tropical countries enjoy different activities in these seasons.
For example, they can go swimming and travel in the dry season.
During the rainy season, people usually stay indoors or enjoy the rain.
Even though the seasons are different, people everywhere adapt to the weather.
Yes, and they enjoy the best activities for each season.
Seasons are very important for farming and nature.
Farmers grow different fruits and vegetables depending on the season.
For example, some fruits only grow in summer.
And other crops are ready in autumn or winter.
So seasons affect not only our activities, but also food and nature.
Yes, that's why people love watching and enjoying the seasons.
Now, listeners, you can practice by saying,
I like the blank season because blank. Pause the video and speak out loud.
Write your answer in the comments.
This helps you practice speaking English every day.
Seasons may be different around the world,
but they are all beautiful in their own way.
Let's practice some questions.
Repeat after us.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Why do you like summer?
Because I like warm weather.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter because I enjoy snow.
What about spring?
I like spring because I love flowers and green trees.
And do you like autumn?
Yes, I like autumn because the leaves are very colorful.
Now you try. Repeat after us. My favorite season is because. Pause and say your answer out loud. Great. Let's try another question.
What kind of weather do you like?
I like sunny weather.
I like rainy weather because I enjoy listening to the rain.
Do you like hot or cold weather?
I like cold weather because I enjoy snow and winter sports.
And what about windy weather?
Sometimes I like windy weather for flying kites.
Repeat these sentences. I like sunny weather. I like rainy weather. I like cold weather. I like windy weather.
Good. Now let's ask each other more questions.
Do you like the beach or the mountains?
I like the beach in summer.
I like the mountains in winter.
Where do you like to walk or exercise?
I like to walk in the park in spring.
I like to run near rivers in autumn.
Now, listeners, try to ask and answer these questions with a friend or family member.
Or speak out loud by yourself to practice your English.
Remember, the more you practice speaking, the easier English becomes.
Great job practicing English today.
Yes, remember, the more you listen and speak every day, the faster your English improves.
Thank you for watching English Easy Speak.
Before you go, try a fun challenge.
Write in the comments, my favorite season is blank because blank.
We want to read your answers and see which seasons you like the most.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Yes, click the bell icon to get notified when our next lesson is ready.
Keep practicing every day, even for just 5-10 minutes.
It really helps your speaking, listening, and vocabulary.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning and have fun with English.